Hello and welcome to this learning edition. I am the Maestro DB and today we're going to learn how to insert data in a SQL Server table. Let's go to Management Studio real quick. Okay, I'm going to start with inserting data with T-SQL first. Then after that, I will show you how to insert data using GUI, the Object Explorer on the left. Okay, here you go. So we're going to insert into employee table. Okay. Employee table. So insert into employee values. Then open the parentheses space right here. Okay. Let me show you all the columns in the table, employee table. Okay, look at the columns so we can know how many columns that we have to insert this data into. So we have the employee ID, we have the first name, last name, address, city, and state. But remember, the employee ID is auto-generated, so we don't need to put anything on it. So once we insert this data, it's going to automatically generate a number for us, because that's the setting we did while creating this table. So the first name is Michael. And the last name, that's all. So remember, you have to put this into a quotation, okay? Then use comma to separate it, each of them. So this is the address, Avenue. I'm going to put the city and the state separate, like we did while creating the columns. So the city is going to be Chicago. Then comma. I'm going to use just IL for the state. I don't want to write the entire thing. Okay, so after putting the first line, you have to separate it with a comma as well until the last one. So comma, we're going to start with the next row of the data. Okay. Okay, the second row is Mary. Okay, number 10, Destin Street, Denver, and CO is going to be in the States. Okay, comma, I'm going to add another row of data here. Yeah, I can do about 4 or 5. So first name, Jessica, comma, then last name here. Okay, run this. So executed successfully. So I have 3 rows in this table right now. So I'm going to select all, and then to see the data that I have in the table, select all from employee. Okay, so we see we have 3 different rows of data in the employee table now. But you can just right click and select top 1000 to show you the same thing. Okay, so this is just pretty straightforward and simple. You just have to make sure there is no error while you're writing the query. Okay, let's try inserting a data using a GUI from the Object Explorer here. So just right click, edit top 200 rows. Okay, so now we have 1, 2, 3 different rows. So we're going to add see the ID was generated automatically. Remember, we didn't add any ID. So that's just the setting that we added in it. So we don't need to put ID as well here. We just need to start from first name and last name and then go from there. So first name, I'm going to add James. Last name, Muller. Then let me add my address. Finance Street. Let me see. This is going to be. See. Okay, let me use Dallas, Texas. TX. Okay. This is good. It's 4 data now, 4 rows of data now. So let me try adding one more. Okay, I want to show you something here. Subline. So I can be able to insert a data in this table without the address, but I can't do that for first and last name because those ones are not nullable. But the address, the city, and the states are nullable, so I can be able to insert data without having those information first. So I'm going to go back, edit 200, and then let me add another data now just to show what I just said right now. So I'm gonna miss the last name and then try to update this. I'll just add the address and then I'll add the city. Houston, Texas. So watch now, if I try to exit through this, it's not going to be able to add the data because I don't have the last name, and last name is compulsory. Okay, look at that. No row was updated. See, column does not allow null, insert failed, and that's because last name is not nullable. So this is the setting that we added. Without the last name, we cannot be able to add any member to this table. Okay, that's why it's failing. So the moment I just go add the data in that last name, I can be able to update this row right now. So let me add the last name to it and show you real quick. Now I can be able to update it. So now when I run this, select all from employee, you will see that the data is updated. Okay. See. So we have 6 rows in this table now. So I just showed you how to insert data using a SQL script and also how to insert data using the Object Explorer. This is pretty easy. That was fun, right? Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, or comment. If you have any question, just leave it on the comment section. Bye for now.